Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sam's Review, and basically this is my new channel, and I'll be reviewing each and every stuff which I see, which I buy. So it'll be pretty easy for you guys to make your choice on buying any products, any good products. I bought several products, and so right now what you're watching right in front of my right on my table is a Buddha which I bought it from Philippines. So anyways, right today I'm going to review a toy gun which I bought for my nephew. So I think this is from Amazon. I'll leave the link below so you can buy it. Before that, let's get on to the review. Hey guys, this is a pretty big package from Amazon. You can see this. A wallet cut open just to check if the product is alright. But I didn't have a chance because it has a lot of covers and everything. Hope you can see this. What is this? This is a bill. Yeah, it cost me 450 rupees, 449. It's a pretty good package from Amazon. So these are bubble cards. Just put it aside. Take it, put it aside. There you go. So I've seen many reviews. There were a few bad reviews, and there was some good reviews. This is the product, guys. There were a few bad reviews and some good reviews on this product, but I just took my chance. Let's check how exactly this product is. But the rating was good. Maybe open it. Oh, it's already open. There you go. Most of the kids will love. So this is the gun. You guys see this? Most of the kids love in their age, for example, around 3 to 5. They will love this gun and other stuffs. So I thought, let's buy a gun which is not harmful. I've seen many guns which have thing which is coming out of this. I think something to target, and hair guns, which is very bad for kids. And I've seen many things, and even I went to store and checked it, and most of the stuffs are really, what do you say, that it hurt people. Sometimes our eyes are so sensitive and their eyes are so sensitive. If sometimes I wish not to happen, but if they target your eyes, or if they target their own eyes, it'll be very bad. It hurts. So I thought of buying this gun for my nephew. And the quality of this gun is okay for that price, I believe. And this looks nice, like real gun. Let's see. I think one screw is missing, but I can get it fixed. So I think I need 2 AA batteries for this. Let me get the batteries first. Okay, there you go, one battery. Oh, I think we need 3. Oh yeah, we need 3 batteries. Put it on. Oh shit. Okay, let's try. Yeah, this is a pretty good gun, guys. The color lights. Look at this. You see, the LED bulbs inside actually spins. LED guns inside actually spins and this moves. I think there is one motor which does all this stuff, and you can also see the blue lights in this part. There is light, blue light. Seriously, your kid's mind, he's gonna love it. Right now we're sleeping. So let me give it to him when he wakes up, and let's see what happens. I'll cover that in my next video. And I have another few things to review, and I'm a biker, and I have spark plugs which I wanted to show you guys because I have researched for almost 1.5 years just to check out how this spark plug works, and I've tried in different vehicles. Anyways, thank you guys. Keep watching and subscribe my channel. I'll be giving you updates on many stuff. Thank you very much. Bye bye.